Here at Moreno Valley Unified School District, we're building a stronger, healthier community together. Our Health and Wellness Center is here to support all of us. It's your one stop for care, connection, and community resources. As students, we are excited to give you a quick virtual tour and show you around.
At the market, families can receive pre-made bags of non-perishable food. The market is open daily, Monday through Friday, from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.
At our laundry lounge, families can schedule an appointment to do their laundry on a short-term basis. With family privacy in mind, each appointment provides up to 2 hours of wash time and laundry detergent is provided.
At the boutique, Moreno Valley Unified School District students have the opportunity to handpick gently used clothing by appointment, Monday through Friday. Families have a 30-minute time slot to select up to 3 outfits from freshly washed donations and may visit twice a year for seasonal needs.
At Oasis and Serenities, families can make appointments to use our shower facilities as needed, providing a safe and comfortable space to refresh and take care of your hygiene.
Our mental health service begins at school sites, where counselors, social workers, and staff provide initial support. If students prefer, they have the option to meet at their school site or right here at the Health and Wellness Center. Families may also be connected to community resources for additional support.
Our conference rooms are versatile spaces used for parent workshops, staff professional development, and meetings. The community outreach team brings everything together. The department hosts resource fairs, food distributions, and special events that connect families with ongoing support.
At the MVUSD Health and Wellness Center, we believe that when families are supported, students thrive. Hopefully, you can see from this preview that there is a community that sees your struggle and has opportunities for you to get resources. Together, we're building a stronger, healthier community, one family at a time.